Maybe I'll just take you a moment and explain about the eCitizen Bank. We've been together with the eCitizen program since 2014, when they had only 5 services on it. Now there are over 5,000 services, and we are very proud supporters. If I can just show you here what the POS looks like, that is at all our agents, both in country. You can see there are eCitizen services on our apps, on our USSD *522#, 844#, all of them are carrying eCitizen services. Yes, and the intention is that even the ones who are, we have over 6,000 e-agents around the world, all of them are carrying the eCitizen services as well. And our intention is to ensure that Gavam Kononi is published on our channels as well and availed across the government.
Thank you very much. Sorry. Thank you very much, Madam. And I want to say thank you very much to KCB for being a partner with the government of Kenya on the delivery of the eCitizen platform. The eCitizen platform, as you are aware, we undertook that we were going to run a digital government.
Yes.
And my undertaking was that we are going to get at least 5,000 government services by 30th June,
yes,
which is today.
Yes.
And I am happy that we have managed to cross the line. You know, we are at 5,080 and 84. 5,084. Our intention, you know, when we came into office, we estimated that government services were around 7,000. But I think after now starting the digitization process, there are actually much more. I think we are discovering government services every day that need to be digitized. And therefore, it might go actually to between 9,000, maybe 10,000. Is that okay? Is that correct, Waziri? So although we have crossed the 9,000 mark, our intention is that by the end of this year, all government services, if they are 10,000 or whatever number they are, they must be on eCitizen platform. They must be available digitally.
Yes.
And part of what we are doing to make sure that as the government services go to the digital platform, citizens must also have access to the internet. Because if they are available online and citizens cannot go online, then it becomes difficult. And that is why we are rolling out the 100,000 kilometers of new fiber optic backbone. We're also doing 1,450 hubs in every ward. We are doing 25,000 hotspots across Kenya so that citizens can have access to the whole of that ecosystem. Now, let me ask you, the eCitizen platform with 5,000 now and 84 services, there is a dedicated government pay channel.
Yes.
222. Is that correct?
Yes.
222. Yes. And the expectation of the government of Kenya is that all government revenue must now go through 222 so that Treasury can have sight of every government service that is paid for. And I'm going to be making an announcement here that in the next 90 days,
yes,
all other pay bills must be shut down. Because we have a problem of some of the pay bills that even we cannot account for. We have close to 1,000 plus pay bills all over the place by all manner of people, some of which we don't even have sight of.
Yes.
They must now be closed down,
yes,
and all government money will be paid through 222 that goes to the Treasury.
Yes.
And then the Treasury will make sure that that whole ecosystem, if there is money going to A&A, they should go back to the respective ministries, departments, and agencies.
Yes.
What is KCB as the bank that is working with us?
Yes.
What steps have you taken to make sure that that whole ecosystem around 222 is safe and works for the people of Kenya? And what is the connection between you and Treasury in that system?
Okay, so we are the settlement bank for e-citizens. So all the payments will end up in the government accounts that are held in KCB Bank. Our intention is to ensure, because the convenience for all Kenyans is to have the option that regardless of where your source of funds is, whether you're carrying cash, you want to do it on mobile, you want to do it from card, you want to do it from out of the country, all of it must terminate through one channel and into one account. And that is what will ensure then that there is confidence that revenue assurance is being tracked. So our intention as the organization that is tasked with the responsibility of ensuring that the government funds are followed to every cent, that this is channeled through one path. And regardless of the source of funds though, then the Kenyan can be able to, regardless of whether you're carrying cash, you can go to any agent regardless of the bank, regardless of the location or where you are, but all of it at the end of the day will channel through one path.
So maybe another thing that I would want to mention now that we are discussing this whole ecosystem, apart from making sure that there are no multiplicity of pay bills,
Yes.
you know, by government agencies, number one. Number two, all payments. No citizen should be told, go and pay for this service using this pay bill. No.
No.
All Kenyans must know, if I have to pay for a government service, it has to be 222,
Yes.
number one. Number two, even if I have to pay cash, yeah, somebody should not tell a Kenyan, go and deposit this cash in bank account X. No. No bank account X anymore.
Yes.
If it has to be in cash, go get the cash, get it into pay bill.
Yes. Go to the agent, put it in that pay bill.
Yes, put it in that pay bill, and,
Yes, and
so
the
that
payment completes.
we are all clear. There is no government revenue being put in accounts which nobody knows where it is going.
Yes.
For citizen to know that I am paying for a government service,
Yes. Yes.
it must end up in 222.
Yes.
Are we-
All of it will be channeled through that one channel.
Very good. And the holder of that account is Treasury.
Yes.
The holder of that
The
account.
owner of the account is
The owner of the account is Treasury. So the money will go to Treasury,
Yes,
or it will go to KCB.
It will go to Treasury.
Yes.
It must go
The-
to central bank.
Yeah, the
to
account-
channel it,
yes.
because the connectivity must be in place.
Yes.
That is what your bank is good for.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Excellency.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Excellency. You are now entering.